Just a short video to show you what I did for my driving pegs. Pretty simple. I don't like them hanging way out here like they sell. All I did here is took a piece of angle iron, bent it up, and then welded this piece to that piece, drilled a hole, bolted that on. It bolts onto your lower fairing. If you have a lower fairing, it'll work. And then I put a rivet right here to make sure it would never twist. Works great, and simple, and cheap. I like it a lot because it hides it also when you're going down the road. You don't have the big ugly thing hanging out the side. Anyway, try it.